What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Unique Cut. I'm Christian. I said in the last episode that I was gonna show you guys like the new sanitation style we have in our shop after the whole pandemic thing and everything, and I didn't get to show you. We just got hit with like, I don't know what, like the craziest Saturday we've had in a long time, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys. So today's Sunday, we open later, we close earlier, so I'm gonna stay after close, show you guys like the new sanitation stuff. And yeah, again, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Again, I'm not used to doing this like I was, so it might be a little me rambling a little bit more just to get back in the flow of things, but I'm here for you guys. Got any questions, let me know. But I'm about to walk into the shop now. Well, I'm about to get to the shop now, walk in. I'll probably do a haircut, and at the end of the day, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you. Alright, so like I was saying in the car on the way here, we got a different method of cleaning everything. I didn't bring my gimbal, so it's going to be a little choppy. I'm going to use my phone to show you guys. Like I said, we got new spray guns hooked up to the air compressor to have like a disinfectant fluid with a solution, like a compound or whatever. You got to mix it yourselves. But we spray down the chairs. I'll show you guys that. We spray down our stations, spray down the doors, we spray down everything. As we're starting to get more people vaccinated, the mask thing is a little bit different. But I know it's kind of hard to cut somebody's hair, especially like the beard when they got a mask on. So we've been, as barbers, have been wearing our masks the whole time. It's we try to have people be smart. You got a beard, you want to get a haircut, don't come in sick. That's all. That's all we ask. You don't feel good, reschedule your appointment. Don't get upset at us if like we're like, all right, you're coughing, sneezing, and we're like, yo, think you can reschedule your appointment for another day? You can't get mad at us. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you the normal sanitation on our clippers and stuff like that. So yeah, show you guys that. Show you guys a haircut, and then I guess that's it for today. But I don't know what the end of the day is going to be like, so it might be different. I might have something else to say at the end, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, so that's it for today. I got out kind of early today. It's Sunday, so we close early. I got a haircut in there. It's a undercut with a light fade, scissor work on top. But kid's hair is long. But you guys seen? I showed you guys the what the hell did I show you guys? Oh, I showed you guys the sanitation that we do every day before we open. I showed you how we spray down the chairs. What I showed you with the spraying down the chairs is in between multiple haircuts. So we don't spread no germs or whatever. Cut with gloves on. Seen that I've always cut with gloves on though, but and yeah, just being how like conscious that there's a virus out there helps a lot too. So I didn't show you guys everything, like whatever, but if there's any other questions on like what I'm doing, or why I do whatever I did, just leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. I know I haven't been on, so like I haven't been answering comments. I'm doing that again too. So, but yeah, that was today. I'll see you guys again next episode. Probably, I'm not sure when I'm gonna record, but yeah, this is Breath. See you guys next time.